Have you ever spent more time and money on something fixing it than if you just thrown it away and had friends and family kind of question your sanity over doing it? Well, I was going through my tools and I came across this. I fixed this, oh gosh, almost a year ago now. And you know how they have these little plastic nubs right here and they wear off, break off, whatever. Yeah, well, that happened to this one, and so I thought I would put a fix on it that would last forever. And this took me many hours. The biggest trick was finding the correct part to put in here. Let's zoom in on this so you can see better. Yeah, I needed a screw that is, you know, flat-headed and just the right length because I didn't want to try to cut it, grind on it or whatever. So that was trick one. And trick two was drilling through what was left of that plastic nub right in the center, the exact size of drill that I needed because I didn't want this thing to break. And then I put it in there. And yeah, it's been working really well for the past, gosh, I don't know, like I said, must be a year on now. So yeah, if you're one of those type of DIYers and you can't stand to throw stuff away and you know, you'd rather spend hours fixing it, well, okay, this one's for you. Hope you found that useful and interesting in your DIY projecting.